So what we're gonna make is some sensory snow. We're going to use some cornstarch, some baking soda, and some water. So it's gonna be a 1-to-1 ratio of the cornstarch and the baking soda with just a little bit of water. You can measure if you'd like so that you for sure have the same amount. I'm just gonna kind of sprinkle it in to make a little bit at a time. Again, you can eyeball it, or you can use a measuring spoon or a measuring cup or anything like that that you would like. You can also, instead of using water and baking soda, you could also use white conditioner that you would use for your hair. So I'm going to eyeball that a little, just like that. And you're just going to mix the two together to make sure that it's all incorporated. You can use your hands, you can use a spoon, you can use a little whisk if you have. You can use it in, you can mix everything together in a bowl beforehand, or you can mix it straight in the tray like this. Make sure you lay down some paper because it is going to get a little bit messy. So now I'm going to take my water and I'm just going to put a little bit in at a time and mix it up. It's going to feel a little bit like slime at first, and that's okay because it is basically the same as making slime. But you want it to be to a consistency where it will stay formed in a ball shape, sort of like this. I did not add enough water, so I'm going to add a little bit more. And if it ends up being a little bit too runny, you can keep adding water to the cornstarch, and then if it's too runny, we're going to add more of the cornstarch and the baking soda. You want to add both at the same time. You don't want to do just one or the other, because you can see here it's sort of looking a little slimy. Or if you end up liking the slime better, that's fine too. But the goal is we do want to make it so that it's a little bit tough to form into a ball, just like that. And it's okay, it's gonna sort of slime on you, but that's all right. It's all in good fun. Happy crafting, friends.